lovely people, Coupon Crystal here with my Walmart's Ibotta haul, guys. I did get a weekend warrior $5 for doing 15 rebates. So I actually did 14 tonight because I miscounted in the store. So I need to do one more rebate in the morning and that will qualify me for my weekend warrior. So let's jump into it. I got some great deals tonight. I went Ibotta shopping with my daughter Amber because I told you guys both of the twins are doing Ibotta now. So the first rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Lola. Yes, the Lola pads were on the shelf for $1. These are $5.17, okay? So I think that was a mistake on Walmart's part, but oh well. The cashier did actually give it to us for $1, so she had the price override in the store. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate coming back, making these be a great money maker. I got 2 boxes for $1, paid $2 in the store, got back $6, so the ultimate cost is a $4 money maker for these. Great deal. Next rebate I did was on these, the Kellogg's Jumbo Pops snacks. These were actually on clearance for $2.24, guys. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate. Final cost only 24 cents. Woo! Crystal got some great deals tonight, honey. All right, so let me tell you about the next thing. The next rebate I did was the Revlon lips, okay? Now, I want you guys to be careful with this rebate, okay? Because these were all hanging on the shelf for, this is the Kiss Balm, okay? The Revlon Kiss Balm. They were on the shelf for $3.74. However, this one was hanging for $3.74, but it actually rang up for $4.42, okay? Which kind of made me mad. I didn't realize it because I was in the store with the twin and we were running our mouth with the cashier. So I didn't realize. Okay, so I ended up paying $4.42, but I do not want you guys to get this one. This is actually the, I think it says it's the sugar mint menthol. Okay, the exfoliating balm. Don't get this one. Make sure whichever one you get that you scan and get one that's $3.74 in the store. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate. The final cost would be only 74 cents, okay? But I ended up paying ultimately $1.42 after the rebate. I'm not taking it back because I don't want Ibotta snatching their money back. So it is what it is. I'm paying with Ibotta money. Anyway, now the next thing I did was the Revlon eye rebate, okay? Now this is actually a primer. This is a eyeshadow primer, and I was super excited about this because I'm going to use this. Now, the eyeshadow primer was priced $4.93. That was the absolute cheapest eye product for Revlon that I could find in my store. The rebate is $3, making the ultimate cost be $1.93. Now, the great thing about getting both of these together, there's actually a bonus that you can hit for buying 2 Revlon cosmetic products, giving you back $1, okay? So if you guys find the $3.74 lip balm and the $4.93 primer, that's gonna make your end cost be $2.67 after the 2 rebates. You get your $1 back for the bonus. That would make it be $1.67 for the 2, which is a great, great price. My price was a little more, $2.35, because of the overpriced sugar scrub lip balm. But you know what? Heck, I'm gonna use it. I ain't sweating it. The next rebate, guys, that I did was on the Oreos. I did the Oreos. And the great thing about this, guys, is those 2 rebates. I finally got those 2 rebates. I got the old rebate that we've been having where you got to buy 1 Oreo Dynasty and 1 family size Oreo. I got that rebate, and that's $3.67. So when you buy those 2, you're going to get $3.67 back for that. But if you just buy 1 more additional Oreo Dynasty, that is going to give you another rebate that is for you buying 2. But since you buying this other one, it's going to work, okay? So you ultimately, you're going to only buy 3 packs. You're going to buy 2 Dynasty and 1 family size Oreo. I hope that's not confusing. That's going to be a total of $11.01, guys. Now, you're going to get both of those rebates back from Ibotta. Make sure you have those both clipped. $3.67, $3.67. You're going to get back also $1 from Swag Bucks for purchasing 2, and $1 from Checkout 51 for purchasing 2, which makes the final cost only $1.67 for 3 packs of Oreos. Great deal. All right. Next rebate I did, guys, was actually on the Any brand breath mints, and I actually got the Mentos. I love Mentos. I buy them anyway. I'm literally sitting up here eating a pack of cinnamon that I bought earlier today. These were priced 94 cents in my Walmart. 10-cent Any mint rebate coming back. Final cost 84 cents, honey. Yes. Next rebate is the Jet Puffed Marshmallows. Priced $1.76 in my Walmart. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, and there's a Shopkick deal, okay? So with Shopkick, you're going to scan it in store, and you're going to upload the receipt. Shopkick is giving you back 64 cents, making the final cost only 12 cents after the rebate from Ibotta and Shopkick for the marshmallows. Great deal. Next rebate I did was on my Poise Liners. The Poise Liners were priced $4.68 in my Walmart. Now, I did use the $3coupons.com coupon that should work, but it did beep, okay? So she did put it in as a vendor coupon. So I paid $1.68 in store. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate coming back. Final cost free and a 32 cents money maker. Yes. Y'all know I love money makers, okay? Next rebate I did was on the Jergens lotion. Now, this is actually the 10 ounce, okay, guys? It's priced $3.48. I used that $1.50 coupon. That made my cost be $1.98 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate. Final cost only 98 cents for the Jergens lotion. Now, I had to do my budding meat again. I'm giving this meat away to somebody because I just have too much, but that's great. I can bless somebody with some lunch meat, okay? 50 cents each. This rebate, you must buy 5. That was a total cost of $2.50 because they were 50 cents in my Walmart. I used a $1 coupons.com coupon. That coupon is a limit of 1, but I actually printed it on a different computer, so I was able to get it again. I had to pay $1.50 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only 50 cents for 5 packs of lunch meat. Next, I decided to get my Cracker Barrel Asiago cheese, block cheese again. $3.20. There's a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.70 for the Cracker Barrel Asiago cheese. I finally found the applesauce, the Mighty Mott's applesauce. It's priced $1.98. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate. Final cost only 98 cents, guys. This is great because my husband, he takes sea moss every day. And if you guys know anything about sea moss, it's almost the consistency of applesauce. So what he does, what he's been doing here lately, because he ran out of applesauce, he's been putting it in his yogurt, and that gets rid of the texture, and then he eats it like that. But now he'll have some applesauce. He can mix it in his applesauce if he wants to. Yeah. So guys, I need to do one more rebate. So I'm going to actually go in the morning and do one more rebate, and then we will complete this video. Now, I did want to show you guys the Kelloggs. I actually didn't get the Kelloggs, but I did find it in store, and there's 2 actual rebates attaching to this product. And I also seen my husband's remix. They've got the remix in a smaller bag versus the individual pack. So I wanted to show you guys that because my husband loves these Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You know what, lovely people? Sometimes you just gotta laugh. You gotta laugh at yourself, because I declare I done recorded a whole daggone 5-minute talk for y'all and had the darn camera on slow-mo. I'm holding this camera because I don't have nowhere to sit it. I'm in a different vehicle, so it is what it is. Okay, so I had to get one more rebate to complete my weekend warrior, right? So I decided to get this. I decided to get the Sparkle Tear A Square paper towels. They're priced $3.97. $1 coming back from Ibotta, $1 coming back from Swag Bucks. Y'all know we got a love-hate relationship, okay? Of course, in normal Swag Buck fashion, they would say they can't find my offer, so I had to review my receipt, so I'm waiting on my dollar, okay? They get on my nerves. That's why I don't do them on a regular. I'm just saying. Final cost, $1.97 after Ibotta and after my Swag Buck, okay? Now, what's the next thing? $5 for my Weekend Warrior for doing 15 rebates. This is my 15th rebate. Shout out to my friend, Tiffany, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson. She told me right before my lunch about the Neutrogena deal, the $3 rebate that's on Ibotta. If you've got that, let's get that coupon out my pocketbook, that $2.50 coupons.com coupon makes for an amazing deal. Okay, Maker actually get that acne bar soap. I do believe that's what you should do. Of course, they didn't have it in the store, so I couldn't get it. So I ended up getting my plan B, which was the paper towels. I'm cool with that, okay? I was going to get the paper towels anyway, guys. So that is it. That is all. I got my Weekend Warrior. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you guys. The giveaway has closed because it ended on Thursday. So I need to go to look through all the comments on that video and put everybody's name in a random picker so we can pick 4 of the $20 digital gift card, guys. So I will be hollering at you guys a little later, okay? Remember, click do save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.